Hello students, in previous e-lecture we have discussed about transpose of a matrix and its properties. In this e-lecture we shall learn about some special types of matrices. First is orthogonal matrix. A square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if product of a matrix and its transpose is equal to identity matrix I. Let's take one example. Here A is a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Now take transpose of matrix A by interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A as shown. In next step, take product of matrix A and its transpose. Following the rule of matrix multiplication as shown, we get an identity matrix of order 2. Similarly, we take product of A transpose and A as shown. This is also equal to identity matrix of order 2. So, we have proved product of matrix A and its transpose is equal to identity matrix. So, here A is an orthogonal matrix. Next is symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if transpose of matrix A equals to matrix A itself. It means element Aij equals to Aji. For example, A and B are two square matrices of order 2 and 3 respectively. Take transpose of matrix A. You will find it is equal to matrix A itself. Similarly, transpose of matrix B is equal to matrix B itself. So these two matrices are examples of symmetric matrices. Next is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if transpose of matrix A equals to negative of the matrix A. It means AGI is equals to minus AIJ. If we put I equals to J, we have AII equals to minus AII. Therefore, 2 into AII equals to 0 or AII equals to 0 for all i's. AII equals to 0 means A11 equals to 0, A22 equals to 0, A33 equals to 0 and so on. All these are diagonal elements of square matrix. So we get an important condition that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. Here A and B are examples of skew symmetric matrices of order 2 and 3 respectively. Students, when we have to check that given matrix is skew symmetric, first observe the diagonal elements. If diagonal elements are 0, then we check transpose of matrix is equal to negative of the matrix. In case diagonal elements of a square matrix are non-zero, then it cannot be a skew symmetric matrix. Now we are going to discuss a very important result, that is, for any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus transpose of A is a symmetric matrix and A minus transpose of A is a skew symmetric matrix. We verify this result with the help of example. In this question, A is a square matrix of order 2. We have to show sum of a matrix and its transpose is symmetric and difference of a matrix and its transpose is skew symmetric. So, in first step, take transpose of matrix A by interchanging rows and columns of A as shown. Now, add the matrix A and transpose of matrix A as shown. And for convenience, we denote it by P. So, P is a matrix with elements 8, 6 in first row, 6 and 8 in second row. Now, we take transpose of matrix P, which we obtain by interchanging rows and columns of matrix P. As you can see, transpose of matrix P equals to P itself. So, P is a symmetric matrix. It means sum of a matrix and its transpose is always a symmetric matrix. Now let's denote A minus transpose of A with Q. In next step, subtract the elements of transpose of matrix A from corresponding elements of matrix A as shown. We get matrix Q equals to a matrix of order 2 with elements 0, minus 4, 4 and 0. Now take transpose of matrix Q as shown. We observe that transpose of matrix Q equals to negative of the matrix Q. Therefore, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. It means difference of a matrix and its transpose is always a skew symmetric matrix. Next is, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Let A be a square matrix. Then we can write A as half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. As we know that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, so half of A plus A transpose is also symmetric matrix. Similarly, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, so half of A minus A transpose is also a skew symmetric matrix. So students, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let's discuss one example. In this question, we have to express given matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. First of all, take transpose of matrix B as shown. In next step, find half of B plus B transpose, and for convenience, we denote it by P. Write matrices in place of B and B transpose. In next step, add the corresponding elements of these two matrices. We get a new matrix of order 3 by 3 as shown. Now multiply this matrix by scalar 1 by 2. We get matrix P of order 3 by 3 as shown. Now take transpose of matrix P. As you can see, P transpose equals to P. Therefore, P is a symmetric matrix. Now let Q is equals to half of B minus B transpose. Write the matrices in place of B and B transpose. In next step, subtract the elements of B transpose from corresponding elements of matrix B. We get a new matrix of order 3 by 3 as shown. Now multiplying this matrix by scalar 1 by 2, we get matrix Q of order 3 by 3 as shown. Now take transpose of matrix Q, which we obtain by interchanging rows and columns of matrix Q. Here we observe that transpose of matrix Q equals to negative of the matrix Q. So Q is a skew symmetric matrix. In the next step, for verification, add the matrices P and Q. For this, we add the corresponding elements of matrices P and Q. After adding the corresponding elements of these two matrices, we get a matrix of order 3 by 3, which is equal to matrix B as shown. So, we have expressed matrix B as sum of two matrices P and Q, in which P is symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Moving to the next question, if A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. As A and B are symmetric, it means A transpose equals to A and B transpose equals to B. To prove that AB minus BA is skew symmetric, first take transpose of AB minus BA. Using the third property of transpose, we write it as AB transpose minus BA transpose. Now, using reversal law of transpose, we write it as B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. Replace B transpose with B and A transpose with A, we get BA minus AB, which is equals to minus of AB minus BA. As we have shown that transpose of AB minus BA equals to negative of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Take one more question. Show that product of B transpose A and B is symmetric as A is symmetric. As A is symmetric, it means A transpose equals to A. Now take transpose of B transpose A and B. By reversal law, we write it as product of B transpose, A transpose and transpose of B transpose. Now A transpose equals to A and transpose of B transpose equals to B. So this is equal to product of B transpose A and B. As we have shown, transpose of matrix B transpose A B is equal to matrix itself. So B transpose A B is a symmetric matrix. Now moving towards home assignment. Do exercise 3.3 from NCERT. Thank you.